In a career, things such as professional organizations, volunteer work, mentors, and education can help to provide valuable learning experiences. With a Christian worldview, we must evaluate whether our work is leaving a positive impact on the world or if we may need to do something different with our career choices. The International Association of Computer Science and Information Technology's mission is to promote and advance the development of IT technologies. To do this, their membership includes students, faculty, members of colleges, professionals, and others. Through this, it hopes to provide career development and advancement of IT technology. The Association of Computing Machinery, or ACM, is an international organization that is dedicated to the advancement of the IT industry. It has regional chapters throughout the world. It is dedicated to providing people with a digital library of up-to-date publications, as well as conferences and career advancement opportunities. Scrum Alliance is an organization that advocates the adoption and use of the Agile methodology. The Agile methodology is meant to help avoid projects being late and being not what the client wanted. The organization hopes to achieve this by being a source of certifications and training. It is a nonprofit. In terms of volunteer opportunities, software development mainly revolves around volunteering your time and skills in order to develop, maintain, or update an existing program without compensation. Examples include Red Cross's Code for Good program to allow programmers to develop and maintain their websites. In similar veins, you could volunteer to help teach kids how to code or code open source programs that are for free. According to the GCU Online Masters of Software Development webpage, my program of study would include a focus on the full software development lifecycle, system design, software design and testing, software architecture, agile software development and delivery methodologies, mobile development, secure coding, and advanced database design. Through this, students are meant to gain the skills needed to successfully act as a software developer. To achieve this, the courses focus on the software development lifecycle, agile software development and delivery, UML, and design patterns, system and software design, enterprise architecture, mobile development, technical communication, secure coding, and software testing. Therefore, this master's is made to help people prepare for a successful career in this discipline. I'm including a job description for Programmer Analyst 1 with the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department. Applicants need to be able to work with vendors, work with off-the-shelf programs, be able to help troubleshoot with coworkers, report creation and test programs. They must also be able to code in-house programs and make interfaces for them that can work with off-the-shelf projects. They will need to be able to sit or stand for long periods of time during their shift, be able to be on call, and dress in business-appropriate attire. In terms of courses, Advanced Software Engineering Fundamentals, Software Design and Architecture, Advanced Software Architectures, Software Maintenance and Testing, and Advanced Software Management and Concepts will help to provide me with the skills needed to complete the software lifecycle from initial development to retirement of the program. Advanced Database Design Administration is incredibly useful in my work, as many programs require interactions with databases through APIs, so this course providing me with the opportunity to improve my skills will be helpful. Secure coding will be incredibly important, as much of the data we store is sensitive, as we are a government agency. As such, gaining more knowledge in this area is incredibly important. Finally, mobile software development may or may not be useful in my organization. This is because we currently use websites that are meant to resize correctly on the phone. However, our managers have mentioned they want to develop app versions of our services to make them easier to deploy on mobile devices. As such, this could possibly become useful in the future. In terms of gaining skills, it's a question of time management and communication. I must leave enough time to do the required assignments and reading without rushing. This way I can actually analyze, internalize, and learn the skills required to be successful. If I'm confused, I then must communicate with my instructors for clarification to better understand the topic. Therefore, I must leave an appropriate amount of time for assignments and communicate when I am confused. Networking and mentoring can help you to achieve success by providing you with an experience and advice. Mentors and people in your network can help to provide you advice from their own life experience. This is helpful in determining what may or may not be useful in your career path. For instance, your mentors may be able to say that getting a certificate in a particular skill set may be incredibly useful to you. As such, networking and mentoring is helpful in trying to help you gain skills and other advice to help you advance quicker due to tips from other people's experience. With a Christian worldview, ethics must be taken into account in your career. During your career, you must constantly evaluate the products and byproducts of works. You must establish whether or not what you are producing is beneficial to society. As such, a worker must evaluate whether their career is helping move society in a positive direction. As such, we must evaluate whether or not we are doing is something helpful or harmful through a Christian lens of ethics.